Welcome to another video today. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make 3,600 for every video that I make by selling them to local businesses. So what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to give you a demo today of how I make videos and rank them on the first page of Google. So okay, if we start, let's do a demo. Let's try best plumber. Best plumbers in, let's do Southport. Port UK, go. Okay, so let's scroll down and okay, there's no videos, as you can see there. Nothing ranked. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go make a quick video, and if you look at the time, it's 11:42 and it's the 8th of October on Friday today. So I'll be back. Let me go do my video, and I'll show you how I rank videos using SEO. So see you soon. Hi guys, welcome back. As you can see, it's now 11:58. It is still the 8th of October on Friday. Okay, so I'm going to refresh the Google, and now I shall go down, and there we go. That's my other channel and the agency what I run, DJF Marketing, 6 minutes ago. So basically I've just put there, advertise your business here. I have a quick website what I use GroovePages for, a 2-page website, and I direct people to that website in my description and sell the leads to the businesses. But basically I get a one-off payment of a business for this, because this will give them, if it gives them 10 leads a month, that's 10 more leads than they've had before. Now 3,600 for a year is very good, and it's took me 30 minutes to do this video. Now I do have a full course teaching this, how to get businesses more leads using this method, Google Ads, where to find them and everything. So if you are interested in taking the course, you can email me at djfmarketingagency@gmail.com, or just leave a comment in the video. If you have any questions, please do leave a comment, and I answer everyone. Apart from that guys, that's how I make my money.